are going to share two updates. First update is about Dessie, Kombolcha, Kemise and Addis Ababa. What is the location of Tigray Defense Force which is advancing towards Addis Ababa? And second update is about Ethiopian Prime Minister post which Facebook has deleted. Why Facebook deleted Mr. Abiy Ahmed post? We will discuss. Viewers, as you know, Tigray Defense Force is in full control of Dessie and Kombolcha. As per reports, Amhara's forces have started guerrilla war near Dessie and Kombolcha. Fighting is underway in the surrounding areas of Dessie and Kombolcha. Whereas Amhara's forces want to engage Tigray Defense Force near Dessie and Kombolcha to stop their advancement towards Addis Ababa. But Tigray Defense Force is continuously advancing towards Addis Ababa. Tigray Defense Force has already taken control of Habro, located between Kombolcha and Kemise. Because if we talk about Kemise, Kemise has already been taken by Oromo Liberation Army and Tigray Defense Force yesterday. Oromo Liberation Army and Tigray Defense Force jointly took control of Kemise. Whereas now fighting is reporting from the surrounding areas of Kemise. Several sources are reporting that Ethiopian Air Force conducting airstrikes near Kemise. As per reports of Oromo Liberation Army soldiers, they have reached the surroundings of Addis Ababa. Today, Oromo Liberation Army claimed that they have defeated Oromo Special Force in Lagatafo, located near Addis Ababa. Whereas around 400 soldiers of Oromo Special Forces have joined the Oromo Liberation Army. Addis Ababa is no far away from Oromo Liberation Army now. Viewers, now let's move to the second update. Facebook deleted a post by Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed that called for Ethiopians to bury the Tigray People's Liberation Front soldiers. The post was removed for violating Facebook policies against inciting and supporting violence. Viewers, but in a separate post on Wednesday that remains online, Abiy vowed to bury this enemy with our blood and bones and uplift Ethiopia's dignity. But viewers, you will be remembered in September, the United States State Department condemned a speech by a prominent Abiy advisor which compared Tigrayan forces to the devil and said they should be the last of their kind. Viewers, these were two short updates. For more latest reports and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.